a trusted real estate agent. So for today, as promised, we're going to do a condo tour with my driver.
At kahit nasa bus pa lang, talagang nakalala ko na ang building ng DMCI Homes. Paano ba naman? Sila lang yung may ganyang design. Yung mga butas na yan, yun yung tinatawag na Lumibend technology, kung saan pumapasok ang natural na hangin at natural na ilaw. Kaya siguradong presko, buong umaga at buong gabi. And you know what guys? Expectation and reality are exactly the same. Kaya talagang what you see is what you get. The whole building is so clean and sanitized. Kahit nga mismong elevator may sanitizer. From Prisma Residence, dumaan kami ng parking lot para makatawid sa Allegra Garden Place. And dyan pala nakita ko na rin yung ibang amenities like parcel station, water station, laundry area, at convenience store. Siguro marami pang iba, hindi ko na lang nasa ulo lahat. And they have a lot of elevators, kaya talaga maiiwasan yung pagka-crowded. And now, here we are at the lobby of Allegra. And guys, the ambience is so relaxing. Tanghaling tapat niyan, pero ang presko-presko ang hangin. Meron silang jogging path. And you know guys, sobrang dami talaga nilang amenities like clubhouse, outdoor play area, shooting court, and lalong-lalo na guys yung resort style pool. Sobrang dami nilang pools. And alam nyo ba, meron pa silang grilling areas. Pwede ka mag-ihaw-ihaw doon kayo ng family mo. Anytime! And now, let's proceed sa unit tour. Syempre, dito mawawala, no? It is a sample of 2-bedroom C inner unit. It's approximately 57 square meter. Meron na siyang living and dining, kitchen, bedroom 1 and 2, toilet and bath, and balcony. This is the second sample guys. Parehas naman silang 2-bedroom ng naunang unit. The difference lang is yung cut. It also have a living and dining, kitchen, bedroom 1 and 2, toilet and bath, and balcony. Then I came back nung hapon. Kasi syempre, papalagpasin ko ba naman yung sunset tsaka yung nightlife? No way! Duh, that's my favorite time of the day.
Wow, the mall is so nice and pretty, right? You know guys, get one unit here, not one. Get more.
And now, guess what? Dadalhin ko na kayo sa most exciting part, which is yung rooftop. Kasi guys, lahat ng amenities, magugustuhan nyo talaga doon. Meron dong gym, entertainment room, game area, open cafe, multi-purpose court, sky lounges, and elevated roof garden. And syempre, yung view guys, hindi maitatanggi, sobrang ganda. Alam kong ang OI ko na guys, pero kitang-kita nyo naman, diba? Sa video pa lang, super ganda na. What more kung dyan pa kayo nag-i-stay, diba? Kaya hindi ko talaga sinayang yung araw na yan. Mula umaga, tanghali, hapon, talagang in-experience ko lahat. Kahit kagabi, sobrang ganda talaga. Kulang ata yung isang video para masabi lahat ng amenities nila kasi guys, sobrang dami. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandyan na. Yung isa sa mga pinaka napansin ko is yung security nila is mahigpit talaga. Kaya secure na secure yung mga residents dyan. Yung Lumibend technology is totally amazing. Kasi umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi, hindi nawawalan ng hangin. And lastly, of course, pet-friendly yung properties nila. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? DMCI Homes na.